Hey guys, Nick here again from Quick Tech, and today we're going to be unboxing the Urbeats3 by Beats by Dre by Apple. And we're going to see if they're worth $40. I picked them up at Best Buy not too long ago. They were on sale. This is the wired version. They also have the lightning version as well. Since I still rock the 3.5mm headphone jack, I picked these up. Now some people are in the camp of hating Beats, some people love Beats. I find myself in the latter camp, owning about 10 pairs of these style earbuds throughout the years, mainly due to Dre's fragile cable design, which often led to one ear eventually losing sound altogether. But I have to say, it has been a few solid years since I last popped a pair of Beats deep into my ear canals. I'm interested in testing them out. Let's see if they're worth 40 bucks. So not much has changed in terms of design as compared with the first gen. So you're still getting that flat, no-tangle cable, which, just as I remember, actually still gets tangled quite often. You're still getting that 3-button inline remote with built-in microphone, and the earbuds are still just as stylish as ever, although this time with many more colors to choose from compared to Dre's humble red and black beginning. Where things have changed are on the earbuds themselves. So these are now magnetic, which is great for Bluetooth headsets when you can sort of clip them together and wrap them around your neck when not in use. But somehow this feature seems less useful with a fully wired pair. Also different is that these now adopt the angled earbud design first featured in the Beats Tour products. And I have to say the angled earbuds definitely help in getting a better fit, better noise isolation, and thus better sound. They also come with a whole bunch of ear tips, including wings for working out, although I wouldn't get too intense in the gym, as these are not IPX certified in the least, like not even IPX 0.5. Also different this time around is the case, which now resembles a creepy bird's mouth, which I guess you can feed the Beats earbuds to when you're done listening to your tunes. And perhaps the biggest difference with the Urbeats3 is that these now come in a lightning cable design, in addition to the standard 3.5mm option. In fact, I'm actually surprised they're still offering this, as Apple has done pretty much everything else to make the 3.5mm input disappear with their controlled obsolescence. That being said, for this video I went with the stealth black 3.5mm pair, which I think look pretty cool. In terms of sound, what can you really say? It's the classic Beats sound. Bass heads will love these, audiophiles will hate them, and as for myself, who's more of an alternative rocker, there's still something to be said about owning a pair of these Beats. I don't know if it's nostalgia, recounting the 9 pairs of Urbeats I ended up sending back and forth to Monster, and eventually Apple, once each pair ended up dying before the 1-year warranty. But the sound is rich, full, and booming. They're just fun. Now are they a great deal for $100? No chance in hell. For that price, there are a myriad of better sounding earbuds with better features that aren't tied to a 3.5mm cable. But for 40 bucks, which they're going for right now, I think these are still a great pickup for a fun secondary pair of earbuds when you just want to pump Still Dre Day on your commute or drown out the outside world with some booming, bassy sound. So that about wraps this one up. If you are a bass head, these obviously are going to give you that sound. For under $40, I think it's a steal. Again, I'll have product links down below in the description if you want to check them out, either the Lightning or the traditional 3.5mm headphone style. As always, this has been Nick from Quick Tech. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed to the channel. We're going to be looking at a lot of earbuds, headphones, and a lot more cool tech in 2019, so stay tuned.